Day 2 in Olympic National Park. Spent most of this morning just editing photos and videos from yesterday, but back on the trail now. It's about 4 o'clock, and right now just headed up to a waterfall, and then hopefully later on up to the top of a mountain, maybe catch a good sunset, but should be a good afternoon. Made it to the falls now. Looks pretty cool. I'm gonna try to go a little bit further down though, see if I can get a bit closer. So I managed to get a little bit closer to the falls, and it looks like there might be a path that kind of goes up and then behind the waterfall. It'd be cool to take a zoom shot with a zoom lens, pointed like just kind of right and zoomed into the waterfall. There's someone walking behind the little curtain. I don't know if that's gonna be possible. I'm gonna go check it out. Definitely no go. The trail, it's not even, doesn't even go back into the cliff. It's just like a little divot in the rock. Definitely can't walk on it. Well, it's definitely a very pretty waterfall, but just not really seeing any good compositions back there that are, in my opinion, worth shooting. So I'm going to continue on and try to get to the top of this mountain. Wow, this trail's steep. Had to take off a couple layers. It's getting hot, but sun is just starting to poke through the trees, so hoping it stays that way and we get some good light at the top. How's that for a view? Unreal. Well, I think the obvious shot right here is to put a subject standing right on that rock with just this amazing view in the background, the light rays coming through, and I think that's exactly what I'm going to do because it looks just awesome right now. So for settings, shooting at 125th of a second, f16 and ISO 200. Just going to use the self-timer remote, set at 5-second intervals, run out there to that rock and throw up a pose. I don't know, should be a good shot. It's really cold up here. Put the gloves on, but I'm just gonna pack everything up now and get down to the car as fast as I can before it gets too dark. Two nights in a row now that I've planned on camping along just some random forest road that I see on the map, and then I pass where that road should be and it doesn't exist. So right now I'm actually just at the trailhead for tomorrow morning's hike, and I don't think I'm technically supposed to sleep here, but I'll just wake up early and get out of here as quickly as I can and I should be alright. Tomorrow's hike, I'm just planning on going to a little waterfall, hopefully getting some nice morning light. And I think right now though I'm just gonna get ready to go to bed, so see you guys in the morning for that hike. Super cold morning. Actually got down below freezing last night, but slept well and didn't get woken up by any rangers, which is good. And now I'm on the trail. It's just a quick hike to the waterfall, and I'm seeing that the light is starting to hit the hills on that side, so hopefully there'll be the light kind of streaking in and it sort of lights up the mist and creates those cool rays. But not sure what's gonna happen, just have to go there and see. Made it to the waterfall. Pretty cool looking. And of course, right when I get here, skies are looking overcast again, so I don't know that we're gonna get that nice morning light shining through the trees, but I'll wait around, maybe look for a composition in the meantime, just to see what I can find. Well, I found another vantage point a little bit further downstream, which is definitely the place to be here. It's a great view of the waterfall. And if only that morning light would shine through, I could kind of put myself out there on the bridge and just be lit up by those sun rays, but the sky's looking totally cloudy. I don't know that that's happening right now. On the bridge now, just modeling for myself. Camera's back up in there, and sadly just don't think the light's gonna come through at all. Still a nice shot. Those light rays would have done it, but can't win every day. Oh, and no wonder. Right when I'm back at the trailhead, sun comes out. Drove over to the coast and was hoping to maybe shoot a nice sort of seascape sunset here, but right now it's just really overcast. It's about 4:45 and I'm gonna wait until the sunset and just hope that things get better, but I don't know that they will. Sunset didn't end up happening really. There was some color, but I don't know. I just wasn't really feeling it. But I'm in Forks now. Forks, Washington, home of Twilight, so I'm gonna go try to find a place to stay for the night back in the National Forest. Hopefully not get eaten by any vampires. And well, that's what I'm gonna do now. See you guys in the forest. Made it into the National Forest now. Sorry that this whole episode has kind of just come spiraling to a quick end. I was planning on spending a bunch more time along the coast, but they're super strict over there about sleeping in the parking lots. Definitely not allowed. So looks like that's not really going to happen, but definitely got plenty of time in the next year or so to go back and continue to explore the coast. So that would definitely be happening at some point, but gotta be in Seattle pretty soon, in the next couple days, so just gonna go ahead and end this video here. And it's been a very fun couple days up here in the Olympics, and catch you guys in the next one. Next video is gonna be pretty special.